Hi everyone, welcome back to Nanrobot. Today we will show you how to replace the rear brake disc. First, we need to remove the screws from the deck and take off the deck. Next, disconnect the power supply cable to cut off the power. Remove the screws from the rear motor wires and disconnect the rear motor cables. Next, disconnect the rear motor's Hall sensor wires. Use a pin to press down the tab on the Hall connector as shown and remove the Hall wires one by one. Then, remove the screws from the fender and take off the fender. Remove the axle nut caps from both sides of the swing arm. Unscrew the nuts on both sides of the motor, remove the washers, and take off the motor wheel. Then, unscrew the other nut on the left swing arm and remove the left swing arm. Slowly pull out the motor cables to avoid damaging the Hall sensor pins. Then, use a screwdriver to unscrew the brake disc bolts and remove the brake disc. Make sure to install the new brake disc with the numbered side facing up. Secure the brake disc with the screws. Reinstall the swing arm and tighten the swing arm nuts. Reinstall the motor wheel, place the washers, and tighten the nuts on both sides. Manually spin the wheel to check if there's any abnormal noise before proceeding to the next step. Thread the Hall sensor wires through the base first, then insert the motor cables to avoid damaging the Hall sensor pins. Then, reinstall the fender and put all the axle nut caps back on the swing arm. When connecting the motor wires, remember to match the corresponding colors. Secure them with the nuts. The Hall sensor wires are the same. Match the colors and plug them back into the connectors in order. Finally, reconnect the power cable and turn on the scooter to test if it's running normally. Once everything checks out, reinstall the deck. This concludes our tutorial. If you encounter any issues during the replacement process, please contact our support team. Our technical professionals will provide solutions to ensure your scooter operates smoothly. Hope this video will help you, and don't forget to click the like and subscribe buttons, and we'll see you in the next one.